A brand new way to buy your Metrolink ticket is here. Buy your ticket in style with Metrolink's sleek new touchscreen ticket machines. You'll save time with our modern, more reliable machines. Touch the screen to get started. Tap Buy Tickets. Select your ticket type. Then choose the destination station where you are going. Finally, pay for your ticket with cash, debit, or credit. Use the PIN pad to complete your purchase if you're paying with a card. Take your ticket, and you're on your way. Corporate Quick Card users also get a faster way to redeem their tickets. Select Corporate Quick Card on the screen, swipe your card, enter the PIN, confirm your ticket, and you're rolling in no time. Your tickets are good for free transfers to select buses and rail lines across Southern California. Check your local transit agency for policy details. For questions about the new ticket machines, visit metrolinktrains.com/ticket machine, or you can call or text 800-371-5465.